In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the email on your OpenTable account. If you need to update the email address linked to your account, the process is simple and only takes a minute once you know where to look. Before you begin, make sure you have access to the OpenTable account you want to update and be ready to enter the new email address carefully so there are no typing mistakes. To get started, open your web browser and go to OpenTable.com. Once the website loads, sign into your account. This is important because the email change option is located inside your personal account settings, so you'll need to be logged in first. After you've signed in, look for the profile icon. This is usually found near the top area of the page. Click on the profile icon to open your account menu. From there, go to My Profile. This section is where OpenTable keeps your personal account details, including the email address currently connected to your account. Once you're in My Profile, look for the option to edit your email. Click Edit Email to begin making the change. At this point, you'll be able to enter your new email address. Take your time here and type it in carefully. Since this email may be used for account access, reservation notifications, and other important updates, it's a good idea to double-check the spelling before moving on. After you've entered the new email address, confirm the change. This final step updates your account with the new email information. If the site asks you to review the change before saving, make sure everything looks correct and then continue. And that's it. Your OpenTable account email should now be updated. If you don't see the change right away, refresh the page or return to your profile settings to verify that the new email appears correctly. It's also a smart idea to remember which email you've switched to, since you may need it the next time you sign in. Keeping your email current helps make sure you continue receiving important account-related messages and reservation details without interruption. If this process doesn't work as expected, try signing out and back in again, then revisit your profile settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.